It's time to say goodbye to paper business cards and hello to the future of networking. I'm going to show you how to create a sleek and professional digital business card that leaves a lasting impression on your prospects. This digital business card is going to allow you to share your details with a click of a button or a tap of a finger. In today's fast-paced world, you never know when you're going to bump into a potential client. I'm going to show you how to modify my own template in order to save you time designing it from scratch.
The first thing we need to do is we need to jump into our SiteGround dashboard. This is the home of our websites. This is our hosting platform. Of course, you can follow along and just jump into your WordPress dashboard from whatever hosting supplier you're using. So I'm going to go into my websites and I'm going to select the WordPress admin of the website where we're going to create the business card for. We need to go into our pages and we need to create this page. We're going to click Add New and we're going to call this business card. And we're going to hit Publish, so this page is published. Now we're going to select Edit with Elementor. We need to change the template or the page style for this. We don't need the header or the footer in this page. So let's go to Settings, Page Layout, Elementor Canvas. That should mean we have a blank page to start with. We're going to click on Add Template, this little arrow, Import Template. We're going to select the file, select the template, click Continue, Enable and Import. So now we have our business card template and we're going to click on Insert, click Apply. Now, oh, why has this changed? Let's change the settings of the page. We'll just go back to Settings and Canvas. There is our template and we're ready to start customizing. So in this top section, you might want to put an image of yourself. So just click on this little icon and go to Style, click on the image and choose whatever image you want to use. And select. Bit of a blurry image, I'm going to pick a different one. A bit better. Now you just need to basically fill in your details here. So let's put our name and our details in here. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put the business name in here. It makes sense for me. And I'm going to put my name on the second section. Now these are 3 links that we can link to anything we want, or we can just leave in the text and leave the link free. So feel free to put in your information here. And you can change the icon. Let's click on it and look at it. Check out our website. And then I'm going to put the link to the website down here. Change this icon, second icon. Here, picture of a tree. This text, you can put whatever you want in here. I'm going to take some text that I've created previously. And this is a little image or a video carousel. We can put whatever images we want in here. Just click on the item, click on image. Do the same for the other ones. You can also add more of these if you wish by clicking on this icon. Duplicate. Now, I think we'll do lovely. All of these settings should work perfectly. This section here then is our contact links. So you can have your email, your social media icons, any YouTube channel you might have, basically any way you want people to contact you. So you can just leave this as it is and pop in your email address. Here would be something like mail to semicolons YouTube channel. We don't have a YouTube channel, so we might pop in our Facebook link. Copy that link. Now we want to just edit some of these colors that they fit with our brand. I'll just select this section here, go to Style. I'm going to take the color from my website. I have a handy tool here that I use in my browser color picker eyedropper. Click on this and you will see the hex code for the color that you need to make sure you have exactly the same color. I'm going to paste that in there. There we go. I'll put a link to the color dropper tool. This icon up here, you need to change the color of as well. Lovely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to update. Now I want to change the color of these icons here. So we want to select the icons, go into content, and then under each individual icon, we want to change this to our custom color. There we go. Beautiful. So that page is pretty much ready. You can change anything else if you would like. This icon should lead to our pop-up, but we need to create our pop-up.
This means you can share your details straight to a prospect's phone.
So let's go back to our WordPress. We're going to go to templates, then pop-ups. Create our new pop-up. We're going to import our template. That's what we're going to do. We need to generate our own QR code, and this QR code will allow someone else to be able to take your business card and view it on their phone. So what we need to do is we need to go to QR Code Monkey, and we're going to put in your website address or the URL for your business card, which is, or you can alternatively go back to your website and go to Pages, business card. Click on that one. Maybe we'll get the URL to your website here. Let's see, the URL is there. So we've copied the link to our business card. We need to go back into our pop-up. Edit with Elementor. Right, we need to go to our QR Code Monkey and input our URL. Create the code. Download PNG. Save that. Go back into our pop-up. Change our image. And upload file. Use this one. Select. And now when someone scans this with their phone, they will go directly to your business card. These icons here are your social media icons. So we need to simply go into those. And as before, we want to edit the style of them. So we're going to go to Style. Secondary color is the color I need to change. And I'm going to pop over to my website again and copy my color code. So those have changed. I'm going to change the hover color as well. And I'm going to change the background color as well. So edit container in style. I'm going to change the secondary color. Now that's in sync with the colors from my own website. Save and close. Now we need to go back to our business page, business card page. Click on our icon. We want this to go to our pop. First thing we need to do is click on the dynamic tags and go down to Actions, Pop-up, and Save. Let's just check what this looks like on mobile view. Go to responsive mode on mobile. I think this looks really good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to preview changes. So we'll view this as it is. Let's select our pop-up. Sharing pop-up. There we go. That will make sure it opens the correct pop-up. I'm going to click Save. We're going to view our business card. Now when we click on this, it'll bring up the Share Contact. So you can automatically let people download your business card onto their phone.
We want to make sure you can find your business card quickly and easily.
Just grab the link of the business card page. And I need to send that to myself where I can access it quite easily on my phone. So you can email this to yourself, you can send it via chats, whatever way you want, so that you can open this easily with your phone. I can then open this with my phone, open up the link, and you should be able to open this up with your website browser within your mobile. Click on the three little buttons on the right and go down to add to home screen. There we go. We should now be able to go back and we'll see that we have our business card easily openable from our mobile. We want to disable our cookie banner for this page because it's not appropriate that our cookie banner will pop up for our business card. It's only going to get in the way. So what we want to do is once we're in our WordPress page, so when we're in our dashboard, we want to click on the page that our business card is. Click on the business card, the name, the title of the page. Make sure you're in settings in page. Scroll down till you see this cookie banner, disable compliance on this page. We want to disable that and click update. So now when our business card opens up, we don't see the cookie banner every time.
If you're watching this and you think this is great, but I don't actually have a website yet, in this video, I walk you through exactly how I built a website that was for my Airbnb business. But this can be applied for many different types of business. So if you're ready to build your website, I'd suggest watching this video next.